Good morning, students. Now we will start the 12th topic, area related to circle. And this topic is very important for your board exam. Here we will start the part 1. Here you can see this is a diagram of a circle. Okay, this is a circle. And look here, the distance covered by traveling once round a circle is its perimeter. Okay, we will distance this cover around the circle is called a perimeter. Usually we called it's a circumference. And what is the formula for circumference? Circumference we represent by a capital C, and this formula is 2 pi r, where this pi we can write 22 by 7 or we can write 3.14. Okay, now we have to find the area means inside the part, okay, the surface, the area of circle represented by capital A, and this formula is pi r square. Now find the radius of circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles if the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Look here, in question it is given to you the circumference of one circle is equal to sum of circumference of two circles, okay, C1 and C2. The radius 1 is given to you 19 centimeter, and radius of second circle is given 9 centimeter. Okay, now circumference of the required circle is 2 pi r, circumference of the first circle is 2 pi r1, and circumference of second circle is 2 pi r2. Look here, from these all we can divide by 2 pi. Okay, all we can divide by 2 pi. So this we divide by 2 pi we get r, and this we divide by 2 pi we get r1, this we divide by 2 pi we get r2. Look here, r1 is here, r1 is 19 centimeter and r2 is 9 centimeter. We put here, so r equal to 28 centimeter. So radius of the required circle is 28 centimeter. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Here first circle radius is given to us 8 centimeter and radius of the second circle is given to us 6 centimeter. Now in question it is given that area of that circle, the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles, means area of that one circle is equal to sum of areas of two circles. What is the formula for the area of circle is pi r square. First circle area will be pi r1 square, second circle radius is pi r, area is pi r2 square. Now these we can divide by pi, all the terms we can divide by pi. First term we divide by pi, we get r square, this we divide by pi we get r1 square, this we divide by we get r2 square. So here r will be equal to root of r1 square plus r2 square. Okay, r1 is equal to 8 centimeter, r2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So we get here root of 8 centimeter whole square plus 6 centimeter whole square. Now we will calculate 8 square is 64 centimeter square and 6 is 36 centimeter square. So this we get here 100 centimeter square, and this is equal to 10 centimeter. So answer, radius of the required circle, radius of required circle equal to 10 centimeter. All of you understand this? If radius of circle is 14 centimeter, we have to find the area. Look here, this is a circle and here radius is 14 centimeter. We have to find the area. We know that area of circle formula is pi r square. Right, pi is 22 by 7 and r is here 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter whole square we can write. Now 22 by 7 14 whole square means 14 into 14 centimeter square we can write. Here 7 and 14 we can cancel, 7 to the 14. 22 and this we multiply, we get 44 and into 14. These we multiply, we get here 616 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. If two concentric circles are given whose radii are Ri means inner radius is 7 centimeter and Ro means outer radius is 14 centimeter. Find the area of the ring. Look at this green color ring is formed. So here concentric means center is same of these two circles. This OP is the inner radius, that is Ri, and this is given to us 7 centimeter, and OQ is here outer radius, that we represent RO, and this is 14 centimeter. So look here, we know that area of ring will be pi r outer square minus pi r inner square. Means from the outer circle we have to subtract the inner circle. We can take pi common, so r outer square minus r inner square we get. So look here, pi we know that 22/7, r outer means here 14 centimeter, so 14 centimeter square minus r inner is 7 centimeter, so 7 centimeter square we can do, and 22/7, 14 square is 196 centimeter square, 7 square is 49 centimeter square. We will subtract these, we get here 147 centimeter square, and 147 we can cancel by 7, 7 to the 14, 7 1 ja 7, and we multiply 22 into 21 centimeter square. Look here, these 462 centimeter square, we get here 462 centimeter square. Look here, this figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring region from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. So look here, we can write here the diameter of gold region equal to 21 centimeter. So radius of this gold means the first radius is 21 upon 2, this is 10.5 centimeter. Now we have to find area of gold region. This will be pi r1 square, and this is equal to pi r1. R1 is here 10.5 centimeter square. So we can write here pi is 22/7 into 10.5 into 10.5 centimeter. We can cancel these, 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35, and these we will multiply. We will get here 346.5 centimeter square. Now we have a second is a here red ring we have, whose the outer region, the outer radius is 10.5 plus width is here 10.5, so we can add, so we get here 21 centimeter. Inner radius is r1 and that is 10.5 centimeter. Know that area of red ring is equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square, and this is pi is 22/7, r2 is here 21 centimeter square minus r1 is 10.5 centimeter square. Centimeter square we take outside. Look here,
22 by 7.
21 square is 441 minus 10.5 we do square 110.25 centimeter square, and this we subtract
22 by 7.
Subtract these, we get here 330.75 centimeter square. These we multiply, we get here 7276.5 upon 7, and this we divide, we get 1039.5 centimeter square. Same as it is, we have to find the area of blue ring. And blue ring, the outer radius is R3 and R3 is 21 centimeter. We have the outer radius for red ring, and 10.5 we add, this is a width, so we get here 31.5 centimeter, and the inner radius is R2, and R2 we know already is 21 centimeter. So we can write here area of blue ring. Area of blue ring, look here, R3 minus R2 we do. So here the area of blue ring is pi R2 square minus R3 square minus R2 square, and this is equal to pi is 22 by 7. R3 is here 31.5 and whole square minus R2 is 21 whole square, and centimeter we write is a common. Look here, this we get here 22 by 7, 31.5 square is 992.25, and 21 square is 441, and this we subtract, we get here 22 by 7, and this we subtract, we get 551.25. This we multiply, we get 12757.5 upon 7, and this we divide, we get 1732.5 centimeter square. Now we have here black ring. Black ring you can see in diagram R4 and R3. Okay, so R4 is equal to, we have this R3 is 31.5 and 10.5 we will add here, so we will get here 42 centimeter, and R3 is 31.5 centimeter. Now area of black ring is equal to pi R4 square minus R3 square. Pi is 22 by 7, R4 is here 42, so 42 square minus 31.5 square and centimeter square. Look here, this will be 22 by 7, 42 square we have 1764, and 31.5 square we know already, that is 992.25. These we subtract, we get here 777.75, and this we multiply, we get 16978.5 upon 7, and this is equal to 2425.5 centimeter square. So we can find the area for a white ring. So we can write here white ring, and white ring is here, outer radius is R5, and this is equal to 42 plus 10.5 centimeter we will do. This we get here 52.5 centimeter, and inner radius is R4, and R4 is already we know 42 centimeter. Now you can write area of white ring. White ring is equal to pi R5 square minus R4 square. pi is 22 by 7, R5 is here 52.5 square minus R4 is 42 square
centimeter square.
This will be equal to 22 by 7 52.5 square we will do here. This we will get here 2756.25 and 42 square we know already 1764 and centimeter square. This we will subtract, we will get here 992.25. This we multiply and cut by 7 we will get here 3118.5 centimeter square. Look here, the wheels of a car are of the diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? First of all, the diameter of wheel is given, so we can write here the diameter of wheel equal to 80 centimeter. So radius is here 40 centimeter, and this 40 centimeter we will convert in a meter. So this we have to divide by 100, means we can write here 4 upon 10 meter. Distance cover in one revolution, that is equal to 2 pi r, and 2 pi is 22 by 7 and r is here 4 upon 10. So this meter we have the distance. Now the speed of car is given to us. The speed of car is given 66 km per hour. Now we have to find the distance covered in 10 minutes. Okay, so look here, we can write here in 60 minutes the car travel distance equal to 66 kilometer means 1000 meter. In 60 minutes the car travel distance equal to 66 into 1000 meter. So in 1 minute the car travel distance equal to 66 into 1000 upon 60. So this with 0 0 we can cancel 6 and this we cancel 11. So 1100 meter we get the distance. Look here, in question given 10 minutes. So you can write in 10 minutes the car travel distance equal to 1100 into 10 is 11,000 meter. Now look here, we have to find the number of revolutions. So number of revolution equal to total distance upon distance cover in one revolution. Total distance is this 11,000 and the distance cover in one revolution is 2 into 22 by 7 into 4 by 10, and this part we have to solve. Look here, 11,000 into 7 into 10, this we have to reciprocal, and in denominator we have 2 into 22 into 4. These we have to cancel. This 11 1 ja 11 and this 1000 we get 11 2 ja. This 2 2 ja 4, or we can cancel this 2 and this 5. 2 and 1000 we cancel, we get 500, and 500 we cut by 4, we get 125, and 125 into 5 we will, and into 7 we have to do, we will get the 4375. So number of revolutions we get 4375. All you understand this? Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of circle are numerically equal, then the radius of circle is. Look here, perimeter of circle means circumference and areas are equal. Circumference formula we know 2 pi r and area formula is pi r square. We can cancel this pi and pi, and the one radius, this 2r equal to r into r. One r is also cancelled. So r equal to 2 unit we get. Now we have to find the radius of circle. Radius of circle we get here 2 unit. So answer is A, we have 2 units. All of you understand this?